Thinking about dental implants, an informed decision is key. Let's explore the vital considerations. First, assess your overall health. With surgery required, conditions like diabetes or heart disease and smoking habits can complicate the healing process. Talk to your dentist about your medical history to see if you're a fit candidate for dental implants. Understand the commitment. The journey to dental implants includes consultations, surgery, and follow-ups over several months. Check your dentist's qualifications. Experience and specialized training in implant dentistry are crucial for a successful outcome. Ask to see their success stories, which can offer peace of mind and confidence in their expertise. Consider the costs. Dental implants are an investment, potentially more expensive up front, but offering a permanent, natural-feeling solution. Discuss payment options with your dentist and check with your insurance provider about coverage. Plan for recovery and maintenance. Immediate and long-term care are essential for the success and longevity of your dental implants. Regular checkups are crucial to ensure your dental implants remain in perfect condition. Choosing dental implants is a significant decision. Armed with the right information and a trusted dental professional, you can make the best choice for your oral health.